You'll find stories, songs, and art. Everyone gets to play a part. There's no better way to get a head start. Let's have a celebration with the Storyvalues Kit of Imagination.
Hi, I'm Cheryl Thornton, professional storyteller and co-owner of Storyvalues. I'm here to tell you about our new, unique, interactive storytelling-based subscription product called the Storyvalues Kit of Imagination. Children love stories. They love to create art, and they love to sing and dance. With the Storyvalues Kit of Imagination, we've joined all three in a unique combination of video and activity kit. Each video features a modern version of a classic folktale. Now let's have our story. An original song,
You're an original, one of a kind.
and a demonstration of how to use the materials in the kit to enable children to retell classic folktales in their own way.
You can do yours any way you want to.
Also featured is an entertaining and enlightening discussion period with some special friends. Sometimes stories teach us important lessons, and I think the story is teaching us that friendship is important and that we can have friends that are similar and we can have friends that are different. Great thoughts, everyone. Thank you for sharing. The kit contains basic art supplies, story character cutouts, instructions, and a special story card with an exclusive QR code access to each video episode. You can help me tell the story by playing some of the characters. Raise your hand if you'd like to play the platypus. Storytelling is an important tradition and a fundamental way in which we communicate to one another. With the Storyvalues Kit of Imagination, children learn stories, create a gallery of colorful characters, sing along with fun original songs, and are provided with gentle encouragement to retell stories in their own way, to find their own confident storytelling voice.
You'll find stories, songs, and art. Everyone gets to play a part. There's no better way to get a head start. Let's have a celebration with the Storyvalues Kit of Imagination.